All right. Welcome you guys to my channel. As you know, my name is Barnabas Munezi. So this is my YouTube channel, as you can see. So today I'm going to teach you. We are going to do a revision in Zimsec Mathematics Paper 1, June 2025. I think you have all seen the previous videos for the first part of this paper. So before anything, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share the video so that we can continue to produce free content on YouTube. Okay, so let's start. So here's our question. The only thing we have to do before attempting any question, we have to read it twice and thrice and understand the concept of the question and understand the question clearly, so that we can be able to attempt and get correct answers. Okay, so let's read our question. The question says, the table below shows a number of children living in houses at the staff quarter at the city school. So this is the data we are given right now. So number of children in a house versus number of houses. So here it means we have 2 zeros, we have 3 ones, we have 4 twos, we have 5 threes, we have 1 fours, we have 0 fives. Okay, so then our question says find the, okay, then the A part says find the mode. So mode, it clearly shows that it's statistics, it's more like statistics. Okay, the mode is the number that repeats most frequency. Okay, that is the highest frequency. So we are seeing these are the number of children. We want to know the number of children which occupies more number of houses. Okay, so here 0 children occupy 2 houses, 1 children occupy 3 houses, 2 children occupy 4 houses, then 3 children occupy 5 houses, 4 1 5 0. So it means 3 children is the highest frequency because they have 5 houses. So it means our mode here is 5. I think it's very clear for you. I think you all get the sense. Okay, so for B part says find the median. Okay, the median, what is the median? The number that is found at the middle if we arrange all these data, all these numbers in ascending order. So the number that is found at the middle. Okay, so let's try to arrange. So here we have 2 zeros, 3 ones, then we have 4 twos, we have 5 threes, 1 2 3 4 5, we have 1 fours, we have 0 fives. Okay, so already this data has been arranged in what? In ascending order. So after that, we are to find the number that is at the middle of this row of this data. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We have 13 numbers here. So the number that is at the middle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so our median is equal to 2. Okay, so C part is requesting for mean. Okay, so the other meaning for mean is the same as average. Okay, so here we are asking to find the what? We are asking to find the average. So the average, it means to get the average, it means we have to know the actual number of houses and the actual number of children divided by the actual number of houses. Okay, I think it's clear. So here we say 0 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 1. Then 5 by 0 is 0, automatically 0, over 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus, okay, plus 0. Okay, it's equal to, here is 0, here is 3, here is 8, here is 15, here is 1. Okay, So we just say 0 plus 3 plus 8 plus 15 plus, sorry, here is 4 plus 4. All over 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 5 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So it's equal to 3 plus 8 plus 15. 3 plus 8 11 plus 15 is 26 plus 4 is 30. 30 over 15. Therefore our answer is equal to 2. Okay, very clear. I think it's very clear. Okay, so if you have the topic that is very difficult to you, you can simply put in comment section, then we will create another video related to that topic. Okay, let's proceed. Let's move to number 15. Okay, now we are moving to number 15. So our question is like this. We have a certain shape like that one. Okay, so here is R, here is M, here is S, here is T, here is N. Okay, so here is 8, sorry, 8, then 5, then 10. Okay, like this. Then our question is, in the diagram, is a triangle. It's a triangle RST, as you can see. Then full stop. Then MN is parallel. Is parallel to ST. Okay. Then RM is equal to 5 centimeters. Then RN is equal to 8 centimeters. And MS is equal to 10 centimeters. Then part A says, our question says, name the triangle similar to triangle RST. Okay, so the triangle that is similar to RST. So this is similarity and congruence. If you know that topic, similarity and congruence. So this is R, this is S, this is T. So we just use the same rule to name the triangle that is similar to triangle RST. So the triangle that is similar to RST is RMN. So it's equal to RMN. So this is the triangle that is similar to what? RST. Okay. So the B part, find the length. Find the length of NT. Okay, so to find the length of NT, we have to use the rules of similarity. Okay, so here you know these ratios, the ratio of this side will help us to find the length of the unknown side. Okay, or unknown part of this triangle. So we have to find the length of NT, which is this one. But we can get this length by using the similarity. Okay, so it's RS over the ratio of this side. RS over what? Over RM is equal to what? Is equal to is equals to RS over RM is equals to this length, this one, RT sorry. This length, if we move from this side, the ratio of this side, we have us to find the ratio of what? Of this side. Okay. So here it's RS over RM is equals to RT over what? Over RN. Okay. So this is RN, this is RS, this is RM. Okay. So we have to substitute. Then after substitution, then we subtract this part from this length. Then we get the exact part we are considering. Okay. So let's move. Then this is RS. This is RS. So RS is 5 plus 10, so we get 15. Over RM is what? RM is 5. It's about to what? RT. Then RT is the length of this one, so we can say 8 plus X over what? Over RN. Over RN is what? It's 8. So after doing that, what can we do? We're gonna do cross multiplication to find the length of this one. Okay. So here it's 8 by 15. When I use the calculator, it's what? Let's just write RT to get the whole length. So here it's 8 by 15. 15 by 8 is equals to 5 RT. So we divide here by 5, we divide here by 5. Therefore, our RT is equal to, so it's 15 by 8 is equal to 120 divided by 5. Therefore, our RT is equal to 24. Okay. So after we get, so it means this whole length, this one is 24. So to get this part, we have to subtract this. Sorry, it's 24. We have to subtract this part from this whole length, and we get this one. So our RT is equal to what? Sorry, it's our NT. It's equal to 24 minus 8. Therefore, we get 16. So this is our final answer. Okay, so let's move to number 16. Number 16. So number 16, given that, so this is number 16, given that AB is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 4n, and BC is equal to 6, 4. Okay, let me change my marker. Okay, so this is what our question is saying. So first part, express AC as a column vector. Here we are given AB and BC. So we have to express what? We have to express what? We have to express AC as a column vector. Okay, so as you can see that our vectors, they are going in the same direction. So the only thing we have to do to get the vector AC is to add these vectors. Let's show you on the diagram. It's more like this one. This is what? This is AB. This is vector AB here. The vector AB, okay. Then this is the vector what? This is the vector what? This is the vector BC here. Then the vector AC is like this one, okay. So here what we have to do is so here is A, then here is B, here is C. So to get the vector AB, we have to add all these two vectors. So the vector AC is equal to what? Is equal to vector AB plus vector BC. So we have to add these two. 3 minus 4 plus 6 plus 6, 4 is equal to, okay. So 3 plus 6, what do we get? We get 9. This one, we get 0. So this is what? This is what? This is our answer. Okay. So this is how we get the answer. Okay, let's move to the next part. The next part is part B. Okay, part B says, B part says, find the modulus of AB. The modulus of AB. What is the modulus? Modulus simply means the magnitude. Okay, the magnitude is what we call the modulus. Okay, so to get the modulus or the magnitude, we have to raise that vector we have to raise it under the, put it under the square root. Squared. We square the coordinates under the what? Under the square root. So it's equal to vector AB is what? This one. So it's 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. It equals to 9 plus what? Plus 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So it's root 25. So it's equals to 5. This is the final answer. Very, very clear. Okay. Let's move. Let's move to question number, let's move to number 17. Okay, let's cut the video, then we can proceed from number 17 up to number 24. Thank you so much.